My name is Trishan. My age is 9. I am at Brain Boost, Pusat Jamaan Matlamat. My school is at SJKC Cancun. This competition title is Tom and Jerry Sentosa Beach Picnic. Tom and Jerry Sentosa Beach Picnic. Sentosa Seaside. Wow, so comfortable. Jerry sitting comfortably on a beach chair with a parasol. Tom bought some coconut water. It's very naughty, and it just snatched Jerry's parasol. Tom gave Jerry a fruit cup, small umbrella. Jerry tore Tom's clothes. Ah, Jerry ran forward quickly. Ah, help! Jerry keeps running forward. Ah, ran to the swimming pool. Jerry quickly ran 2 laps around the pool. Tom is chasing Jerry. Tom and Jerry are exhausted and thirsty. Haha, they look at each other and become good friends again. Tom and Jerry are thirsty. Tom gives the water bottle to Jerry. Jerry picked up the water bottle and wanted to drink water. Ah, why is there no water? Hee hee, Jerry saw an ice kacang car in the distance. Yo, yo, yo. Tom and Jerry happily eat ice kacang. Competition title, Tom and Jerry Sentosa Beach Picnic. Low chat,